Hello viewers, I welcome you to Unboxing Couple channel on YouTube. This week, let's talk about Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi and the future of MIUI. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you. The Redmi series is undoubtedly the most popular sub-brand category by Xiaomi. The Redmi series usually comes with mind-blowing specs for ridiculous prices. The specs include good high-definition camera, good battery life, and quality design even at giveaway prices. However, this video will be focusing mainly on the future of Redmi phones in regards to MIUI updates. According to a post from Digital Chat Station on Weibo, part of Redmi's UI interface may need to be differentiated from Xiaomi's MIUI in future upcoming Redmi smartphones. It should be recalled that the countdown of the existence of Redmi as an independent sub-brand from Xiaomi all began way back in January 2019, where Xiaomi had to differentiate Redmi from Xiaomi entirely. Since then, Redmi has been producing very good quality devices which all run on Xiaomi MIUI. As a matter of fact, this year alone, Redmi devices have all gotten the MIUI updates just like the flagship devices from Xiaomi. Currently, most Redmi devices run on MIUI 12.5. which is the global ROM of Xiaomi devices generally. One of the most famous Redmi category, which is the Note series, has been one of the most sought after Redmi devices. So I decided to dig in to know if Xiaomi is going to be changing MIUI completely for Redmi smartphones. As a matter of fact, the same experience for Xiaomi's flagship devices such as the Mi 11 Ultra is the same that is felt on Redmi devices such as the Note 10. If you recall, MIUI by Xiaomi is one of the most customizable Android skins ever made, and with the refreshed UI designs and good quality animations such as floating windows, no wonder Xiaomi is popularly known globally. And according to a research by Counter Research, Xiaomi became #1 smartphone vendor in the world, overtaking Samsung and Apple. Even Mr. Who's the Boss would acknowledge how quality Redmi devices have become in one of his videos where he talked about how Redmi smartphones even matches up to the Xiaomi flagship devices. Wow! So what does Xiaomi have to do to Redmi smartphones to make them different, to make them unique, and without removing that thing which is MIUI? So Xiaomi is going to be refining MIUI for Redmi. That includes the custom interface, that is new system animations, new themes, and various components in the UI. However, that doesn't mean that Redmi smartphones will entirely be different from its Xiaomi's counterpart, as the differences will just be in area of software refinement. But not to worry, Xiaomi definitely will give us feedback and will release official statements concerning this. So I hope to give you more information about this in upcoming posts. So turn on the notification and hit the subscribe button for future updates. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.